Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to remove and replace the rear interior door panel on a 2006 Ford Escape. This video applies to Ford Escapes made from 2001 all the way up to 2007. Now in my case none of the door handles work, so this one doesn't work. I cannot open the door, and the exterior door handle also doesn't work, so I'm pretty much stuck and I will have to do it while this door is closed. Now it's a bit harder doing it this way, but it's definitely doable. I had the same issue on the other side as well and I was able to do it, so I decided to make a video on how to do it. The process will be the same whether you have the door opened or your door is closed, but of course if you can open it, have it open, because it's gonna be much easier for you. Now you will have only two Phillips screws to remove. One is inside here, so this one is pretty obvious. I hope you can see it, it's down there. Just use your flat screwdriver to remove it. And other one will be just behind the handle under this cover. What you want to do here, you want to use something like a small flat screwdriver just to pry this plastic piece off. Make sure you don't lose it. Okay, here it is. And you will also have one Phillips screw. Yeah, this one is golden, so make sure to remember which screw was where. So remove this Phillips screw and the one I showed you before. Okay, these are the screws. Now next thing you'll want to do, you'll want to remove this small plastic trim piece that's surrounding the door handle. Now be careful here, is like a small clip, so definitely want to start it pulling it from this side, and also be careful not to break the door handle itself. So I have to pry it out here, and yeah, and that's it. So now there is no more screws holding this door panel actually, so in your case if you have the door open, you'll be able to just start popping out the door panel from underneath, go all around and pop it out. And once you pop out the sides and the bottom, then you can just leave the panel up. In my case I'll do the same thing. I'll just have to do it from while the doors are closed, so it's gonna be a bit harder for me to access that panel, but here I go. I got one pin out and then I just have to go all around and pop it out just like this. Okay, easy enough. Okay, and this is how you remove the rear door panel. And now once you have it off, you just have to disconnect this window switch, and that's pretty much it. To disconnect this switch, you'll have a small clip to push here on the inside edge of this connector. So you want to push it and wiggle these wires out. So I'll show it to you here. So this is the clip you want to push, so push onto it and pull it out, and that's pretty much it. And yes, this is how you remove the door panel. So very easy to do, especially if you can have the door opened. Even if not, you can still remove it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.